Hello teachers, if you are beginning to use online learning platforms and getting connected with students, I've got one useful site for you by using which you can make your classes highly interactive. I'm going to show you the steps. First, you need to sign up into this site called www.mentimeter.com. timeter.com. So once you go there, you'll have to sign up. So because I have already signed up, this is showing with me here. Otherwise, you would have to sign up here, where you would put your correct email ID, your password that you would desire, and you go to your email, activate this account, and lo, here you are. So when you come to mentimeter.com, after sign up, now you sign in, then you go to your presentations, either by clicking here on the top right or here in the middle bottom. You click your presentations. What you could do with this site the best is create some questions on which you want your students to answer live. You would have to prepare these questions beforehand, before your online class begins, and you can use this during your online class. For that you need to go to new presentation. Suppose you want to put a question: how are you passing your time, for example. So put a question, click create presentation. So now comes a new page where you should give some guidelines to it in the way you would want it to appear later during your class. So you could have multiple choices or word cloud, this style, if you would like this style of response, open-ended response, scales, ranking, which first, which second, which third, image, if you have image then they can choose, or just question answer in the form of opinion. So suppose you would want your students at this stage just to choose multiple choice, but for that you need to create now. So click multiple choice. Now what option do you want to give them for the question, how are you passing your time? Watching videos mostly, for example, that's choice 1. Choice 2 is reading books. Choice 3 is helping with household chores. You could add more options if you like. For now, in terms of sample, let's stick here and click present here on the top right, blue. So you have made it ready. So you are half done now. So the question is ready, the options are ready, and what you need to concentrate on now is this code 57316. So for every new item you create, a new code is given to you, 57316. Now when the class begins, you should ask your students not to sign up, not to do anything, just go to www.menti.com. Now I'm explaining how students can come up to use this platform under your guidance. It's highly interactive. Remember earlier you went to mentimeter.com and created this. This is your site, mentimeter.com, for the teachers. But for students, it is menti.com. So you ask them to go to menti.com during the online class by using their browser on their phone, iPad, laptop, whatever they are using. It won't disturb much, it won't take long, but then it's highly useful and interactive. Once you click menti.com, so as a student, students should put this code 57316. 57316. So when they put this code and submit, now this question comes to them. So remember, assuming that now students are with you online and you have just told them the question, look, the multiple choice questions are already there. So they will choose. Suppose one student chooses reading books. I can only show you for one student, but if there are 20 students you are dealing with, 20 students can choose their choice. No student can do it twice and submit. The moment they submit it, it's live on your site, which is mentimeter.com. Up comes this. Okay, so when students are choosing, this goes up and down. It's really nice. You could be sharing your screen on Zoom app if you're using it for your video conferencing, and this is how you can interact with your students. I hope you could use it in a variety of other ways. This is just a basic start. As I was saying, multiple choice is one way, giving questions and asking them to choose is one way, but there are different other ways also. Again, each time you want to do, you could click on new presentation and do it, and same presentation or question that you've created can be used for about 2 days, today to tomorrow. You can again create something new that you would like, new presentation, say GGG, just a sample, but then you could do something else also, not just the multiple choice. Like I said to you earlier, once you create a title, now multiple choice, if you want it, word cloud, if you want students to just put in word, and when they put in word from menti.com after submitting the code, then whatever words they have put, it comes this way. Or you might like them to put in some sentences like this. So it depends. Or rank, image choice, like I was saying. You could also do quizzes. It's just simply superbly fantastic. I hope you can start using it, but before that, practice it. Your class will be one step top notch interactive. Thank you.